So our lesson will be focused on phonics. This is for the kids that don't know how to read, how to sound the letters. So we will start from the scratch. We will focus on the letters SAT. This is not only for the kids, this is also for the parents who wants to teach their children. So today, uh, you listen. Hocus pocus, okay? Eyes on me and open your ears. For parents, children do not learn instantly. We need to guide them, and they do not learn through just saying the letters like S, A, T. We need to learn. We need to teach them the sound, the phonic sound. So here we go. So we start with letter S. What is the letter, kids? It's letter S. And what is this? Yes, it's a sun. So let's do it again. Sun, sun. So the sound of S is S, 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 sun. So we will put your teeth together and smile. You raise the tip of your tongue and then you blow air gently without using your voice, without using this. So you say "S- s." Okay, let's practice. This is the letter S. So when I do this, you say "S." When I stop, you will also stop. Okay, let's do it again. S. One more time. S. Last one. S. Okay. How about for this? S. I cannot hear you, okay? S. Do it. S. Okay, good job. S. Perfect. Now we combine the sounds. You follow me, okay? S. Sun. Okay, it's your turn. Sun. Good job. One more time. Sun. Let's do it faster. Sun. 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 Great job. What other words do you know that start with the sound S? Are we sitting right now on a chair? Did your mommy sat on the chair? Look around you. What other things do you see that start with the sound S? The doll is sitting on the mat. Okay, perfect. Now for parents, you just need to just do it, repetition, mastery, and your children will learn the sound of S. For this one, you don't need to worry because we will tackle them all. For now, Children must learn the sound of S. They can learn the letters, but it's important to learn the sound because that's how they will read it. Now, let's move on. Oh, we have a activity here, kids. So trace the letter S in the air. Let's trace it. S. It's like a snake. S. 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 Okay. Now, say the sound five times. Let's do it loudly. S. 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 Now, let's do it. Hmm. Just a little volume, like s. 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 Perfect. Now, let's read this. Let's say sun. Sun. Perfect. How about this? Let's. Can you read this? S. At. Sat. Oh, it's your turn. Okay, you can do it. Let's move on to our next letter. It's letter A. It's your favorite A. The ant. What is the sound of A? Do you know the sound of A? You don't know? It's okay. So let's. What is this? It's a ant. Ant. It starts with letter A. Now let's practice the sound of A. Ah, ah, ah. Great job. Let's do it one more time. Say ah. Open your mouth. Ah. Now let's write small a. Ah. Perfect. Now when I circle it, you do the sound, okay? Ah. Ah. You look at my mouth. One more time. Ah. 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 Now let's try it. Ah. Ant. Ah. One more time. Ah. Ant. One more time. Ah. Ant. One more time. Ant. Perfect. Now let's do it faster. Let's say, can you read it? Okay, good job. Ant. Now, you just need to open your mouth, then lower your jaw, then push your tongue forward, use your voice. Say, ah, ah, ah. Now, let's practice to trace letter A in the air. Ah, Ah. Say the sound ah 5 times. Ah, 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 ah. Perfect. Now let's look objects or find objects that are in your room or in your house that starts with the sound ah. Ah, it's in the fridge. Apple. Do you like apple? Okay, good job. If you want my class to continue, you can leave a message or comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. By the way, I will put an app so that we will know if you really learn. No one will ever know. No one will know your score. Okay? You can do it on your own. For the letter T, it will be for the next video so that I will know if someone is watching this video. Thank you. Goodbye.